With our sustainability program, The Bigger Picture, we put sustainability at the heart of our organization. We do that with long-lasting products with a high quality, while at the same time reducing our environmental impact and improving our impact on our people and the societies. As part of our program, we want to reduce our carbon footprint. We do that by partnering up together with Treevive in investing in reforestation projects. I'm sitting here together with Michel, and it's good to have you here.
Thanks, Jeffrey. It's nice to be here.
Can you please introduce yourself and tell me your role at Treevive?
So Treevive is a forest carbon accelerator, and we bridge the gap between forests and finance. And the way we do that is that we support the owners of tropical forests, could be local communities, could be NGOs, could be businesses, with setting up their forest carbon project.
Can you tell me a little bit more about the reforestation project in Nicaragua where we're investing in?
Yes, it's about a project set up by the company Reforestation, and it focuses on restoring degraded lands through agroforestry and nature conservation. And so far the project has entailed about 3,000 hectares, and it's got three components. One is cacao, and it has teak plantation in between to provide shade for the cacao. The second is pure teak, and the third is a conservation area, restoring those lands. And what Reforestation is trying to do is to develop a project on 4,200 hectares of land, which is about 8,000 soccer fields or your average middle-sized city, to give a sense of feeling. And to have that for local economic development, so you create jobs by doing so, you restore nature, and in the end also run a sustainable business.
Does the project also bring some benefits for biodiversity?
Yeah, the project area in total has some remnant forest left, so it's not all degraded, for instance along the riverbanks, and those provide biological corridors. And one of the aims of the project is to do nature conservation and strengthen these areas again. And these are home to about 1,000 species, so you're talking about flora and fauna. And two examples, which I think are quite interesting, is the tapir, bearded tapir, which is a very impressive animal, and the black-handed spider monkey that live in those areas.
I think that spider monkey should be in here somewhere.
Oh yeah, there it is.
Here they are, they are.
Oh, they really look like they're up to something. MLR works with annual community meetings to really get input from the communities. And in addition, they provide about 650 jobs for the people in the area. They also contribute investments into the local community, for instance, infrastructure. They provide healthcare. They invest in school programs. So their social commitments are both directly in the sense of creating jobs, but also indirectly in the sense of supporting the community in their economic development. Jeffrey, if I may ask you a question, what got you involved in this project specifically?
Well, this project aligns perfectly with our program, the Bigger Picture program. As a company, we reduce our carbon emissions, but at the same time we want to make sure that we not only take but also give something back to the planet. And this project has it all.
Well, thank you for that support, Jeffrey. And we look forward to a long-term relationship to keep making that impact together.
Thank you for being here, and I'm looking forward to collaborating in the future. Well done.